What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I given you guys an update on the BMW, so here we go. Sit tight and let me give you guys an update what's been going on. So as you guys can see, there is a new engine in the BMW and we are getting ready to start this bad boy up. Right here, you can see there is a new N55 inside the BMW, upgraded valve cover. Everything is pretty much new on this thing. This is from a 335i and it had 48,000 miles on it. Now you might be wondering, why is there a new engine? If you don't know what happened to the last engine, go ahead and click that video right here on the corner, or go check out that video on my channel. It's my last video I just posted. Basically, long story short, the intake cam ended up seizing and we basically welded the whole entire intake cam to the head of the BMW, and the whole engine was just a complete failure. It was an oil starvation issue. So we had to take out the engine that we just installed, didn't even get to drive, and now there's a whole new engine installed to the BMW. So I wanted to hop on here and give you guys a quick little update. What is going on? What is the future for the BMW? And what is all going to be happening in the next couple videos? So right here, we were able to get and secure a new engine that is now in the BMW. And let me give you guys a whole backstory. So at first, when I did uninstall the last engine, you guys seen on that video where we had to take it out, send it back, get all money back. Well, the people that we ended up buying the engine from, we sent it back, we tried to get our money back, and they ended up actually trying to say that we messed up the engine and they would not send our money back. So it was a big thing. We had to get eBay involved. We ended up getting all of our money, but we are able to secure another engine. This engine is, of course, out of a 335i that I ended up mentioning before. But what is really unique about this one is that it is a full dropout. So if you don't know what that means, pretty much the car sits just like this and it was dropped out of the car. So everything was connected to it. So it made my life a whole lot easier. I did not have to uninstall the turbo. I did not have to uninstall the alternator, the AC, anything like that. The engine was just able to get bolted up to the transmission and dropped into the car. I think this engine was delivered to me last Friday. I went out on vacation for that week, came back, and I was able to slap this in just this last Friday. Got it in all day Friday, worked on it Saturday, and now it is Monday and this thing is ready to start up. So there's only a handful of things that we need to do before this BMW can start up, and that is bleeding the system, making sure that the engine is primed, and then this thing is ready to fire up. So that is everything that this BMW needs to see before it is ready to check out for the very first time. So with all that further ado, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you can believe it, you can achieve it. This is living proof right here. No matter what the things you run into, keep on pushing forward and everything will work out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the first startup for this BMW and stay tuned to what this thing evolves into. I'll catch you guys in the next one. You guys have a wonderful day. And like always, guys, I know I'm going to say it again. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.